Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, The Crafty Closet, and Happy New Year, y'all. First video of 2026. Now, this was meant to be the last video of 2025, but y'all know things happen, and I'm okay with that because it was supposed to be the way it is. This was meant to be the first video. So let's get into it. First video we are going to be doing for the new year is I'm going to show you guys how to personalize sublimation dog tags. So let me show y'all what it looks like. Y'all see this? Y'all see my baby? Mm-hmm. So I'm going to show you how to make personalized dog tags. And these are great because they're multifunctional. You can use it as a keychain, a luggage tag, a necklace, whatever you want. So let's get into everything we're going to need for this project. Now, this is sublimation, so you're going to need some sublimation paper. We're going to be using the Koala brand sublimation paper. Then I have you're going to need heat resistant tape, heat resistant gloves. You're going to need your tag shell. And these are the tags we're going to be using. These are double-sided tags, which is great because you can, I don't know, picture on one side, scripture words on the other. It's whatever you want. They also come with adjustable chains, which means you can cut them to as short or as long as you want. Then, of course, your printer. You can't do it without your printer, right? So this is my converted Epson EcoTank 2800 series converted printer. If you don't know how to convert a inkjet printer into sublimation, child, you know I got a video for that. Just scroll down on the channel and check it out. And with all of that being said, let's get into this project. I'm going to show you what we do, how we do it, in case you're new over here. And as always, all you have to do is stick around. We'll be right back. Well, hopefully you'll be right back. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and make the sublimation dog tags. And these are good because you can use them a bunch of ways. You can use them as a necklace. You can use it as a luggage tag. I'm actually going to make a luggage tag. Well, I'm going to share a luggage tag. You can use it as a keychain. Oh, it's very what's the word? Not multifaceted, multi-functional. All right, let's go. You're going to go to, once you open your design space, you're going to go to your images. You're going to type in the word dog tag. I already have it here pre-typed. And now you want this dog tag, and I bookmarked it because this looks just like the one that we have. Now you're going to take it and rotate it because we want it the long way. Now, if you have a problem with rotating, like sometimes you're just not too sure, you can go to more. You can go to rotate, and then you can type in, like I rotated in 90 degrees. Type in 90. It was perfect when I rotated it, but if you don't want to rotate it on your own, just go in more and type in the rotation that you want. Now, this is a two-port dog tag because this little circle would be like what you would attach to, slice out. We're going to hide this because we don't need it. We just want the dog tag by itself. Now my tags are 2.3 by 1.2. I'm going to make them a little bigger just so I have some wiggle room when it's time to put them on my image. So I'm going to make this 2.4 and I'm going to make this 1. See, it went to 1.3, which is 1.1, 1.2. Yeah, I think that's 1.3. All right, so we'll do 2.4 by 1.3, right? That's exactly what we want. Now I'm going to then change this to white because mine is white. Here's the fun part, y'all. So you're gonna go to whatever image picture you want to use. My picture's already downloaded in my computer, so I'm just gonna go to my uploads. Gonna upload it. Uh, all right, y'all see my little baby? Look at him, so cute. Like I said, he went to the Kids Bop concert over the summer. This is the picture I chose because I thought it was just adorable. So now I'm just going to go ahead and minimize this. I'm going to bring it in and we'll just make it we'll make it two by 5 by 2 by 5 just for illustration purposes. And I'll show you guys how we're going to do it. All right. Now we got our image 2 by 5 by 2 by 5. We have our tag, which is here, right? You see our tag? Our tag is going to go over the picture, and then we are going to slice it. And here's our tag, y'all. This is easy, right? This is cute. Here's our tag. I'm going to duplicate this because this is sublimation on this. You can sublimate both sides of this tag, which is cool. So we're just going to duplicate it. And this is our photo sub tag. I'm going to delete this because I don't need it so it doesn't confuse you. And we also don't need this part. So that's it. This is what our tags look like. We're going to go ahead and make them. You're going to go to make. I'm not going to save it. Next, I'm going to just move it over so it makes a little more sense. Make sure you mirror your sublimation. And then we're going to go to continue. I'm going to send it to my printer. I'm not using the Cricut. I'm just designing this in Design Space, but we're not going to be using the Cricut at all because I'm just going to, we don't have to cut this out. You're going to go next. You're going to turn off your bleed, use your system dialog, which is your preferences. That's where all the magic is at. You're going to go to your printer preferences. You're going to go to make sure your paper is presentation paper mate. Your quality is high. And you take it off. You're going to go to more options. Take it off bi-directional printing. And that's it. We're going to go ahead and print this out on the printer. Press it. And you'll see what it looks like. As always, you guys, I appreciate you for watching. It's been a really wonderful year. Everybody who stopped by the channel, subscribed, looked, watched, peeked, you're all appreciated. Wishing you all a happy, happy new year. And I will see you for the first video of 2026. Be well, my friends, and you guys take care.
나연히 내게 보낸 reels 하나 둘씩 클릭해보는 너의 생각들 yeah. Look at me baby you and me 하루 종일 혼자라도 not only lonely Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah. 따뜻한 너의 품 거울 들어 이렇게 눈 맞추면 You make me go crazy all the little things you do You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 많은 사랑과 내게 줘도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 나는 보는 너의 눈 The sweetest 누군가 나에게 어디가 그렇게 좋냐고 물어보면 난 이렇게 대답할래 내게 10번의 기회가 있다해도 나에게 all in 해가 2번 아니 3번 뜰 때까지 너의 옆에 Come close to me baby just like a dream yeah 이런 맘정야 I wanna know everything about you 살짝 몰래 내게 입 맞추면 You make me go crazy all the little things you do You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 많은 사랑과 내게 줘도 좋아 You're my teddy bear, teddy bear 부드러운 너의 품 나는 보는 너의 눈 The sweetest It might be too early to say But I found the love of my life, my life 너도 나와 같은 맘인걸 The way you make me feel is gonna change the way I used to be 잊혀질 환상